Good day, Pinoy Clicksters and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And we have here a white and orange box. Let's go! Okay, so we have a consolidated package from Buy and Ship. And it's small compared to previous boxes that we got. Okay, this actually consolidates only a couple of items. The first one is the brick break from Oxit for Smash and Destroy. I think the second week of the brick break. And the other items are from the Oxit as well. The what you call this? The release week auction of Smash and Destroy. Okay, so usually when a set is released on the first, I think 2 weeks of the set, okay, Oxid does an auction of individual figures. Okay, so we were able to win some, um, and that is quite, I think, more than 1 month as of making this video because was released end of April. Okay, so it just arrived for us, but it's fine. Um, we're not so lucky with our pulls in Smash and Destroy breaks, but I'm glad we were lucky enough to win some auction items. Okay, so we have here. Ooh, oh, so we won. We won 4 boosters in the auction. Okay, and a bunch of 4 boosters in the break and a bunch of auction items. Let's start with the auction items. We have here Piranha Tank. Okay, so we want to complete all the terrains. Okay, so this one has a piranha in it. And then these are the figures we won. Cinder, a couple of Cinder. Okay, we have Arrow, our waifu for the set. And then we have Wave. Okay, that's an extra wave for us. And Smash will not be the same if we don't have Arcade. That's our like uh, fifth or sixth Arcade. We have Goliath and Giant Man and Debris. Okay, so a bunch of rares and a couple of super rares. Let's see if the figures are here. Debris. Okay. I think we got a good deal, fairly good deal because auction can run high. Okay, and it did run high, but I was able to uh, win at least on the smaller items. Okay, because I want to participate in an auction and at least win one, of course. Okay, so Giant Man and Goliath, they're quite big though. That's good. Okay, Fusion. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, then Arcade. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have Arcade every time in this set. Okay, so we have here Arrow. Let's see the face. Okay, it's fine. So she has a very good scope. Okay, very pretty. And then the two demon ladies, Cinders. Okay, so and it seems like you always get to pull Cinder in your brick. So good that we have all 8 items and plus terrain safely arrive. So let's go to the break pulls. As I said, we did not pull so well. I think this is the week where we pulled all rares. Okay. That's fine because we'll also sell and trade some of them. At least we have an absorbing man. Okay, and we have a terrain. At least we have that laser turret. Okay, we have another uh, arcade. It wouldn't be the same without an arcade, as I said. We have a Craven. And then we have, a Destroyer. Okay. So at least we pulled a Destroyer. One of our better pulls in that sense. We don't have him yet. So definitely the S tier piece for the set. Let's go to the second break. Second booster, rather. And we have a wave. Okay, so a duplicate, a triplicate even for us. Okay, we have an absorbing man orange. I don't think we have that. We have a wrecker, a Primus, and Ant-Man. Okay. Double checking the cards. Okay. I like the absorbing man because he has Alpha Flight keyword. And yeah, Alpha Flight, I guess, is X-Men adjacent. So I want to collect them if possible. Third booster, we have Ant-Man. We have Goliath. Okay, so yeah, okay. Then we have, ooh, what's this? Thunderball. We have Black Ant and Zask. Okay, so it's my first time to have a Zask, so that's definitely at least worthwhile. The others, not so much. And finally, we have Valkyror, Steve Rogers, Tori. Okay, I like Tori as an Asgardian. Lenny Ballinger and Giant Man. Yay! So no terrain in that particular booster. Okay, so those are our pools. We'll have to organize. I say it's so-so, but the auction items made up for it. So what do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments. And for now, bye-bye!